hospital use.
Thank you very much. The Honorable Jalango, aka Jalas.
Thank you so much, Madam Speaker. And on onset, let me thank Madam Honorable Sabina Chege for this motion. You cannot fight for something fully when you don't get benefits from it. And for us to now start allocating more money to our public institutions like the hospitals, we as leaders must start using the public hospitals. For example, Kenyatta National Hospital here provides some of the best services. But if you have a chance to use your insurance to a private hospital, you will always go to that private hospital. Let it be mandatory that public servants use public hospitals, and even insurance companies that provide our covers must also be told not to cover leaders if it is for private hospital. If you want to go for private treatment,